Hi. This is the end of MCOM accountants in India. There will not be any basic accountant jobs available in India. You get only 15,000. Who made this scenario? The chartered accountants, those who are having connection, link in US and UK. Why? Because there is no basic accountants in US. Scarcity. For past 5 years, the number of basic accountants has reduced by 17% as per the Bureau of Labor Statistics in US. And 75% of the AACPA members are going to be retired by the next year. So there's a huge gap. There is no accountants available in the US. Those youngsters and people are not interested to become an accountant there because of that 150 hours credit, the cost of that CPA course after degree, they don't like. They wanted to become a tech-driven analyst. They get more pay, so they don't need to become a data entry accounting job. So what? US what? They need to outsource this accounting job to India. So the chartered accountants, those who are having connection in India, need laborers. They can't do all these jobs without laborers. So they created laborers. They degraded the value of income accountants in India to create laborers for them, outsourcing laborers. They need outsourcing laborers, especially if you are interested to work in US hour. You're perfect labor. You never get reputation. You never get statutory benefits. You never have an history of career. You will become just a laborer. For the chartered accountants who is having connection in US and UK. That's why they promoted through private institutions, Binami institutions, Binami investment. They promoted this kind of course structure, MCOM plus CPA, MCOM plus CMA, MCOM plus ACC. All these certifications are related to US and UK, nothing related to India. For India, you have to get CA. After MCOM, you at least sit for 2 years, spend another year to get a CA. Instead of going for that, they're promoting MCOM, ZMA, ZPA, ACCA only to create labors for US. You get money. What will happen? In Indian entrepreneurs, Indian small scale owners doesn't like to appoint a permanent accountant because they like their books handled by consultants so that they can manipulate the book. I am fighting for structuring and locking a perfect accounting software which is monitoring by income tax department or direct or indirect tax department authorities IT structure directly linked to the accounting software, encrypted method. I am fighting for that. I always argue for that. But our small scale entrepreneurs didn't like this kind of structures. They don't want to appoint a permanent accountant because they will ask questions. If you are appointing a consultant, they will never ask questions. They will adjust your books according to your need, the owner's need. That's going to happen. So this is a mafia. They will kill the MCOM accountants. What's the remedy? Indian universities has to redesign, restructure the curriculum, the syllabus, the structure of the commerce graduation course with immediate effect. MCOM plus ZA in the same college has to be provided. MCOM plus CA in the same college has to be provided. That's what we need. After that, we will struggle with the certified chartered accountants for making filing, data entry, either auditing. You never get a payment. You get 5,000 rupees. Your family, you cannot run your family. You cannot run even your expense. That's the situation of Indian accountants. You are going to become laborers. That's why Warren Buffett said, learn plumbing. His son is not learning plumbing. So be wise, be vigilant about your children, next generation.